Have you ever imagined traveling through space and time? The idea of traversing vast distances in an instant and visiting different eras may seem like science fiction, but it's a topic that scientists and physicists have been exploring for decades. Welcome to the Tech Factories, where in this three-part series we'll be delving into the fascinating topic of wormholes and space-time travel. Wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical shortcuts through space-time that could potentially connect distant regions of the universe. But, what exactly are wormholes and how do they work? According to the theory of general relativity, wormholes are tunnel-like structures that connect two distant points in space-time, allowing matter and energy to travel from one point to another without crossing the vast expanse of space in between. But, are wormholes just a theoretical concept, or is it possible that they could exist in our universe? Scientists have been working on computer simulations to study the behavior of wormholes and the effects of space-time curvature. These simulations have shown that if a wormhole were to exist, it could be used as a means of faster-than-light travel, potentially allowing us to travel to distant stars and galaxies. But, is it possible to create a stable wormhole that we could actually travel through? One of the biggest challenges with wormholes is stability. In order for a wormhole to be stable and usable for travel, it would need to be held open by an exotic form of matter with negative energy density. This type of matter has not been observed in nature, and it's not clear if it could even exist. Another problem is that of traversability. Even if a stable wormhole were to be found, it's not clear if it would be possible for anything to pass through it. The intense gravitational forces near a wormhole's throat could make it impossible for any kind of matter to pass through. Despite these challenges, scientists continue to study wormholes and space-time travel in the hopes of unlocking the secrets of the universe and finding new ways to explore it. They are trying to find solutions to the problem of stability, and looking for other ways to create a stable wormhole. The idea of traveling through space and time raises many questions about the nature of reality and our place in the universe. If wormholes are possible, it could fundamentally change our understanding of the world and our place in it. Additionally, the idea of faster-than-light travel raises ethical questions about the impact on humanity. If we were able to travel to distant stars and galaxies, what would be the impact on our planet and our species? Would it bring us closer together or push us further apart? The possibilities and implications of wormholes and space-time travel are vast and complex. As we continue to explore this topic, it's important to consider the ethical and moral implications of our actions. So, while the idea of wormholes and faster-than-light travel may seem far-fetched, it's important to remember that science is always making new discoveries and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we continue to explore this topic, it's important to consider the implications and ethical considerations of wormholes and space-time travel. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Factories for more thought-provoking content on science, technology, and the future. And let us know what you thought of this video on wormholes and space-time travel in the comments below.